DynamX. Hope you're having a good day today. Anyways, I wanted to give you a quick video on investing and really on the market, right? The stock market right now is killing it. It has been for over a decade. 2008, almost everyone has forgotten that it ever even happens. And basically what we're looking at is, the market is looking prime for investors. Most people are looking at it like, man, my 401k is up, my assets are growing, everything is doing well, and they're not even considering why it's up, if it's a good idea. So I want to address that really quick. Should you invest in the market? And I talk a lot about the market. It's up. Why is that bad? Why wouldn't I invest in it if it's up? Doesn't that mean a good thing is happening? And I want to share with you how stock market investing really works. Okay, so there's different levels of investors. Most people don't know this. Okay, so there's what's called a displacer. Displacer, like market displacement. Your average 401k mutual fund IRA investor is simply a market displacer. They're needed in the market. They play no vital role in making the market. If the market's up, it's not because of them. But they're needed in the market because when you put more people in the pool, the water gets higher. That's why most people, are needed in the stock market. Okay, then you have like your hobby investors that are really just, being taken advantage of by buying shares for commissions and hoping they can sell it for a gain. And then you get into your market makers and your high frequency traders. Now, anybody that is into trading will know this. I have a bunch of friends that are really into trading. Anyone that's into trading will know this. When a market maker wants to make money, they will make the market go up by rapidly buying and selling shares in very high quantities and volumes to drive up the share price so that the market displacers, the middle-class Americans and day traders that want to try and make money, get in thinking they can ride the top of the wave, and then the market makers pull all of their money out and get all the gains. That's literally what happens, and most people don't even realize this. There's a thing called high-frequency trading. High-frequency trading is when somebody decides they want to make money in the market, they hook up to a rapid speed connection and they make transactions so quickly and so rapidly that it just beats the share price up, and it makes it look like the market's appreciating, and they do it so rapidly that you don't even realize what's happening. You go buy it because you're like, man, this stock is killing it, the S&P is up, the Dow is up, I'm gonna go make a profit. And again, they also pull their money out as soon as you're in. See, I went through the Series 6 license, the Series 63 license. I learned all about all this stuff, right? Never once was I taught about that. Never once did somebody say, hey, there's these groups of investors that can control the share price and drive it up artificially so that they convince you to buy it so that they can sell it at your loss and make a profit. So when the market's up, it doesn't mean it's a good thing. The market being up means one of several things. It means A, our currency is extremely devalued and the shares aren't actually worth anything, meaning you wouldn't want to own one because when the shares adjust back to their normal value, they're going to be worth less than the money you paid and people won't want to buy them from you. That's the first thing. The second thing, it means that somebody is trying to make a play on your potential loss. There's a market maker out there that's trying to drive share prices up, and they're trying to make it to where you are enticed to buy, and basically from there, they're going to sell and make money on you while you lose money in the market. Like I've said before, money in the market is never lost, it's just transferred into different hands. So somebody that's smarter than you, better than you, that studies investing more than you, is going to make a profit on your loss. And you have to realize too, if you really just kind of level things off, most of us are not market experts. So to think, oh, it won't happen to me, and to be ignorant to the fact that somebody in the world spends all day, every day learning about shares and share prices and markets and volatility and all of that stuff, and you basically have a financial advisor and a website and a 1-800 number, but you feel like you're gonna be okay. Think if you were going into a fight like that, where you're like, oh yeah, I've watched Rocky before, so I think I know what to do, but you're actually gonna go fight Rocky. You would get your ass kicked hard. It wouldn't even be a fair fight. Rocky wouldn't even want to fight you because he would feel like he's taking advantage of you and kicking you while you're down. The difference is this isn't Rocky, and these people don't care about how they feel. or the fact that you're not doing well, or the fact that you're losing money. That's their goal. So when the market is up, I want you to think about why it's actually up. I want you to think about what that actually means. And when something is going up, it's not going up for no reason. It's bunches of people getting in, raising the price, or the currency going down, raising the dollars needed to acquire the share. Neither of those things mean it's going to be a profitable investment. It actually means the opposite, and you need to think about that. Now, real quick, if you're watching this today and you're in the market and you're wondering what you should do, I'm going to drop a link in the comments really quick. It's sacredaccount.com. If you click on that link, again, sacredaccount.com, this is an account we set up for our clients that has nothing to do with the stock market. Why? Because we're trying to help you make money. The only way you can make money is by not losing it so that you can make enough of it. Compounding interest doesn't work if you lose money. All right. So the Sacred account is an account we set up for our clients. It's going to be an account that is basically set aside for your saved income for the sole purpose of investing for cash flow. That's it. Only for cash flow. So if you want to learn more about that account, click on the link. You can submit your information if you'd like to get on a call with us as well. Thank you for watching. Try not to lose money in the stock market today, and I will talk to you soon. Like, share, subscribe.